Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube live session. In this live, I would like to share details about my AI-related blog posts. Okay, let me first share the screen. Okay, I'm sharing the entire screen of this system. So you should be viewing the screen, right? Okay, so firstly, let me tell you about how to go to my blog. Okay, my blog is like URL is blog.qualitypointtech.com. Okay, that is the blog name, blog URL. Okay, so you may be finding it difficult to remember this, right? Or even for typing that. So the easy way is you can just search for QPT space blog on Google, and that will be showing this search result. Click this quality point technologies QPT. Okay, that will open my blog, blog.qualitypointtech.com. Okay, so here you can find a lot of blog posts. I have been posting here from the year 2008 itself. Continuously I'm adding content here. I focused more on software testing and test automation and then web development, emerging technologies, that kind of stuff. Recently, all my blog posts or most of the blog posts are related to artificial intelligence, AI, like explaining simple tutorials about what is AI, what is machine learning, what is deep learning, what is RAG, LLM, that kind of stuff. And moreover, like specific questions. Suppose if I'm learning something or teaching something to others, and in that time period, if I'm coming across any new questions, I'll be doing more analysis about that question, and then I'll be adding answers as a blog post. Okay, that's how I came up with a lot of blog posts about AI. Here you can see that hundreds of blog posts. If you want to check only the AI related blog post, click any of the AI related posts, and you can find that label as artificial intelligence, right? Click that link. It is a link. So if you click that link, you'll be seeing only the AI related blog post. You can read a lot of blog posts. Some of them maybe I might have included some announcement about my books, AI related books, and videos. Other than that, almost everything is very informative, useful post. You can click older post. Okay, you can keep on reading a lot of things. Okay, so just to tell about this opportunity to learn AI. Okay, and if you have any specific questions, you can ask me. I can explain here, and moreover, I can do more analysis about that question, and I can add as a blog post here. Okay, um, recently, recent blog post may be related to a specific topic, but few months back, when I was putting a lot of efforts, spending a lot of time, that time I created a blog post for explaining the fundamentals step by step. It's a full-fledged tutorial kind of book. Based on that content only, I came up with my books, and moreover, some chapters I published as blog posts also. I have a lot of books. Suppose if you're interested in knowing about my books, click this my books. Okay. So here, if you are in United States, you can click this link. So that will take you to my author page at Amazon.com. Okay. So here you can find all my books. It's loading. So right now I have 41 books. Most of the books are related to AI. You can check that things. Okay. So what I'm saying is I'll be adding some chapters as blog post in that blog. Okay. So just to keep on reading that blog post. Previously, that blog was getting a lot of traffic from Google, so that time I spent a lot of time. But right now, it's not getting any, not much traffic from Google. Okay, I don't know whether the Google itself that traffic got reduced because of LLMs like ChatGPT, Gemini, or my blog is facing any issues. Okay, anyway, right now it has limited traffic. That is why I'm just trying to promote through other ways. Like I started this live session to tell about my blog post, and if you like the blog post, you can share with your friends. So once after getting more traffic, I'll be able to spend more time. Okay, without traffic, just I keep on spending time is not going to be effective, right? So that is the thing about this blog. So if it is getting more traffic, I'll be spending more time. I'll be adding more chapters. I released a lot of books. Okay, so based on the usage, I'll be adding more content. Okay, but almost it has like hundreds of AI related blog posts. That itself, reading that itself will take significant time. In the meantime, I will be adding more content also. So just bookmark this. Okay, I provided that link in the description of this live also. Just check my video right here. That video. Let me check the live session. So the live, this one, right? This one, current live one. Let me check whether audio is working properly. That's important, right? Okay. So okay, the audio is okay. So here in the description, I have provided that link. Okay, read a blog post at this. So if you click this, it will be directly taking to this label artificial intelligence. Okay, okay. So I explained a lot of things, especially RAG related things, AI agents, MCP, context engineering. Okay, and even I put a lot of collections like useful Reddits for subreddits for learning AI, useful YouTube channels for learning AI, like that. Okay. So I just wanted to tell about this information here. Maybe in the coming days, I'll be talking about each and every blog post in detail. And as I said, I am planning to do these kinds of live sessions frequently, almost on daily basis. And one topic will be major one. Like today's topic is about my blog post, but I will be talking about all the things. Let me tell about other things. I hope I made it clear, right? So just click that link and read the content. Hundreds of AI-related blog posts are there. Some of them are like informative. Some of them are lists. Okay, some of them are sharing my thoughts like that. So just to go through that, it's combination or mix of various kinds of blog posts. Okay. Okay. And if you want to learn AI systematically in a structured way, I would suggest getting my AI course here. That link is there, right? If you click that, you can get it for just 300 rupees in India. In other countries, you can get it for just $8. So just check this and let me know if you need any assistance to make that purchase. Here I provided all the details. Say, for example, if you're in India, you can use this QR code or this UPI ID or this Instamojo payment link to make the payment. Then you have to contact me by sending an email. Okay. In that case, only I will be able to send you the course access link. There is no automatic way. Suppose if you want to get the delivery automatically, then you need to visit my website rajamanikam.com, which is a Gumroad based site. Gumroad will be taking care of the delivery of the content. That will be done automatically. But because of the fees involved with Gumroad, that price may be a bit difficult. Like additional fee will be there, right? $19 the price is. But because of the purchasing power parity feature, it will be discounted on like based on the economic level of the country. In India, it is giving 60 percentage discount. Okay, and moreover, if you want to get further discount, say for example, if you are in US, you can use the discount code QPT for getting 50 percentage discount. But in India, that purchasing power parity discount 60 percentage is higher than the coupon code discount, right? So in that case, that will be taken. The highest one will be taken. Okay. But if you're in US, if you want to get this course with discount, maybe you can use the discount code QPT. Okay, QPT. It will give 50 percentage discount. Okay, but as of now, I may change it later. So when it's available, you can use that. Okay. So here you can find all the details about my course, what are the videos included, tutorial videos included in this course, and a list of ebooks, A related ebooks included. So a lot of information you can read, and then you can decide to purchase, right? And tell about this course, about this for course to your friends, and about especially this low priced course, right? But very informative. You can understand the quality of this course by going through the ratings and review comments made at Udemy. I am selling it the same course from Udemy Skillshare also, but I would suggest buying from here because here that price is low and further discounts are there, and moreover your email will be added into the newsletter automatically, so that you can get further updates regularly. Okay, so just tell about this offer, and as if you want to earn money for referring this, contact me. I'm offering 50% affiliate commission. You can uh, check that link here, and 50% commission, right? Here you can find all the details, and if you need one-on-one AI coaching, click this link, you will get all the details. Okay, so these are the things I usually specify in all my live sessions. I hope I made it clear. Suppose if you need more details, you may visit my previous videos. There I explained them very detailed way. But right now it's already explained, right? So I'm just giving the overview. So you can. The main purpose of this live is to tell about the blog post available at QPT blog, right? blog.qualitypantech.com. I provided the link in the description. Just go through that. Okay. And if you have any questions, add your comments there. And if you like that, share it with others. Okay. And if you want to get my books, visit rajamanikam.com or click this my books link, and there you can find my Amazon author page. There you can find around 41 books. Most of the books are related to AI, and I will be adding more content in the coming days. So just make sure that you are following these blogs. Okay. This is about blog post. That is, as I said, that is the key agenda of this live. If you have any questions, you can ask me. And other things, as I explained, one is about rajamanikam.com, where I am selling my AI course and my books. Here I am not. I cannot sell all my books because most of the books I made exclusive for Amazon. I enrolled them into KDP Select program, so that people who are a member of Kindle Unlimited KU members will be able to freely read that books. Okay, so most of the books are enrolled into that books. Some books I'm keeping non-exclusive, so that books I can sell from here. Okay, so just check if the book is available. Your record book is available here. You can buy from here, or you got to get it from Amazon. Okay. If you like the books, add your ratings and review comments. If you have any negative feedback, just to share that with me. Okay. That is about my books and AI course. As I said, it has a lot of ebooks, a lot of tutorial videos. All the tutorial videos are loaded with closed captions, subtitle content. Okay, so that you can read the text while watching the video, and it has a lot of information. Just to go through the details, you can understand. If you have any questions, you can always contact me. My email id, I'm providing my email id in all the places, especially if you visit rajamanikam.com. Here you can find my email id, rajamanikam.a@gmail.com. Okay, almost all the key links I provided here also. Here that if you are interested in earning 50 to 75% affiliate commission, click this link. It is free to join us affiliate. Okay, so that also I already talked in my previous live sessions. You can check them if you are interested, or just contact me. So if you have any questions about my blog, or if you need any details about how to purchase my AA course, or if you need more details about one-on-one AA coaching or affiliate program, or whatever questions you have, just ping me. I provided my email, right? So just that is the key thing. There's some place I provided my WhatsApp number also. In that, in case if you are planning to contact me through WhatsApp, please just send message alone. Don't make a call. Okay, and uh, other than that, my books, Amazon books links, and like my channel link. Okay, that offer of 300 rupees offer, that link, everything is I provided. I have provided that links in the rajamanikan.com homepage itself. Okay, just remember that. Or the one easy way is remembering this QPT blog. Okay, that will be very easy. Like just to search QPT blog, click this link, Quality Point Technologies QPT. QPT stands for Quality Point Technologies. Okay, Okay. Okay, this here you are seeing this discount, right? 70% discount. It is very, very limited time discount. Okay, so if it is available, you can make use of that. Okay, but anyway, this one is useful because even if you are getting this 70% discount, that will be around this price only. But Gumroad will be taking like additional amount fees, other things. So here, if you click this banner, you can find the details about buying the course directly from me. Okay, using UPA payment or PayPal payment. Okay, so that's about my books, AA course, affiliate program, and Amazon books, AA course. Okay, one-on-one coaching. One-on-one coaching, I already talked about it many times. Okay, but anyway, if anyone is asking any questions specifically about one-on-one coaching, I'll be discussing that details also in this live. But this live is primarily for telling about my blog post that are published in my blog.qualitypantech.com about EAA. Okay, so EAA blog post, lot of blog post. Okay, so I recently came up with this question, needing the difference between cosine similarity, needing to know about the difference between cosine similarity dot product versus Euclidean distance in drag, right? So we know that everywhere people are using cosine similarity, but other options also there, right? When we have to use other options, that kind of questions came up. So I posted a blog by doing analysis with the help of ChatGPT or other AI tools. Okay, so it is beginner friendly. Still, many people are not knowing about the power of AI, right? So for them, it will be useful. Even the Chat GPT, people are just thinking that we have to just ask questions; it will be answering questions like that. They are using it as just a question answer kind of. Instead of using Google or Perplexity, they are just trying to use ChatGPT for getting search results, that kind of stuff. But apart from that, ChatGPT can be used for a lot of things. Okay, recently I released a book about using AI tools for learning English. Okay, so in that book, I specified a lot of use cases. Okay, that book is selling well. Suppose if you are interested, you can refer this because a lot of people, I know that a lot of people may be looking for that kind of books. When I released the book, there are no such books on Amazon itself, so I thought it will be a really useful one. Okay, so here it is there. You can search my name Rajamanika Anthony Muthu on Google, and I mean in Amazon, and you can look for this book, How to Use AI Tools to Learn English, a beginner's guide to speaking, writing, understanding English with ChatGPT and free AI tools. So here I explained about a lot of AI tools, but what I'm trying to say is even for that purpose also we can use ChatGPT effectively. Say for example, even myself sometimes use them because I'm non-native speaker, right? I'm taking one-on-one coaching, right? I need to make sure that my way of talking is understandable to the native speakers, right? So I used to record my voice and I will upload on ChatGPT, and I will ask ChatGPT to uh, criticize it. ChatGPT used to give the report like what are the mistakes I made in that speech and how to improve that and how to pronounce them correctly, like that kind of information it used to give. Okay, so ChatGPT can be used for that purpose also, like for image thumbnail creation. Personally, I'm using that for various purposes. Okay, obviously for creating coding, a lot of things can be done with ChatGPT. Okay, so understanding ChatGPT and how that different charts are working, how to discuss with multiple people, and memory option, and understanding the flow, everything that needs some basic understanding. If you are very beginner, you may find difficulty understanding that. Even attending 1 hour of one-on-one coaching can help you to improve your productivity by saving a lot of time. Okay, so one-on-one coaching, that's the reason I am doing one-on-one coaching. Other than that, I already shared a lot of information freely on this blog. Okay, but if you need any personal guidance, you can contact me. But not only for beginner level, for professional also, for learning RAG, for learning AI agents, and for learning about context engineering, or even for creating any kind of AI application development or any kind of projects. Even if you do something, if you struggle to proceed something, I can guide based on hourly charges. Okay, and I can explore your business processes and like go through your business processes and explore the opportunities of you using AI to improve the businesses, right? Because that is very important. Your competitors will be doing it, and you have to do that. There is no option. Okay, so even if you don't like the AI developments, it is mandatory right now. There is no option to ignore them. Okay, so in that perspective, everyone should be knowing about the AI from developer perspective, from business people, for everyday use also, for any kind of work in the coming days. Understanding of AI will be record. Okay, so I just listed that kind of thing. So I listed thing in a various way, like utilities. Well, like you can go through the blog post. Okay, this is just for very beginner friendly. Okay, just to improve the productivity. Chart GPT notebook. Notebook alone is a really powerful one. I used to tell about this to all my learners. Okay, so whenever I teach anything, whether they are beginners or professionals, I used to highlight that. Okay, like right now it is Google is offering a free version also, so we can use it for limited with some limitations, but that's okay for personal usage. Okay, so it is kind of RAG, okay, retrieval augmented generation. So I already created a separate video to explain about RAG, and even I have books about RAG. I published books, simple books, as well as very detailed books. Okay, and a lot of blog posts also. You can just search for RAG. Okay, you can find a lot of RAG related posts in this blog itself. So sometimes it will show only one or two posts, but you have to click next because I haven't included page break there. So that is showing full content, but in the home page it is restricted to few words. Okay, okay. So here you can see a lot of regulated posts, right? So even you can read a lot of things from here itself, like top 10 vector database RAG application, why RAG is important, RAG evolution metrics. Okay, and even I did many live free webinars also previously. Okay, and in the coming days also I may do that again. In that case, I would suggest subscribing to my newsletter, rajamanikam.com newsletter. Here, just go to rajamanikam.com, add your email, subscribe, or you can buy any book. In that case, also you'll be automatically enrolled. Some books are priced as zero, especially this book, My Experience of Earning Money Online. This is right now zero priced. Okay, so you can just buy it without making any payment. Okay, your mail ID will be enrolled into that newsletter. Okay. Okay, here this notebook LM is a very powerful thing, especially for grounding the responses of LLM. It is important. Otherwise, our LLM usage is restricted because of hallucinations, lack of private information, lack of latest information, that kind of stuff. Here we can you add our own sources. Okay, here you can use it for multiple purposes. Most of the people are using it for learning study as a study notes taking application, but it can be useful for various things. If you have a big document, if you want to learn it quickly, you can just load the document here, and you can just ask various questions here. You can create a mind map, you can video overview, reports, flashcards, quiz, infographics, slide deck, like a lot of things you can arrive from here. And interestingly, you can ask various questions. You will be thinking that okay, we can do that with ChatGPT or Gemini itself, right? But that are not grounded. Okay, they will hallucinate. They are not reliable. But in case here, it will be uh, giving answers based on the reference. Say, for example, if you ask something uh, like, uh, let me take some example. So here, so here I added three, four sources about this no news, right? This news was few months back. Okay, Suppose if I ask some question, how does student visa ban impact Harvard's academic mission study? So that answers will be based on these resources, not from internet. Okay, so that is the unique advantage of this one. So here you will be getting answers and you will be getting references, so that you will be making sure that it is grounded. Okay, there is no hallucination. Okay, and a lot of things are there. Normally I use this personally for creating a lot of videos for showing the podcast will be automatically created from this notebook lm notebook. Okay, so a lot of things are there, you can just explore that. That's a very important AI application. If you're not familiar, just go through that, just to explore that. Okay, other than that, it has a lot of things. Okay, just to go through the things here, and I already listed. If you go through my previous blog post, a lot of things are there. Okay, I am not going to show everything here. That is not the purpose of this live. Purpose of this live is to inform the viewers that I have blog where I am posting various kinds of content related to AI, starting from beginner friendly and advanced topics, and AI development tips and tricks, and a list like top 10 vector databases, subreddits useful for learning AI, that kind of tips collections. So sometimes we may be getting some subtle questions like difference between pg vector and bg vector store, that kind of questions, right? So though some people are using the terms interchangeably, but there are certain differences, right? So that kind of stuff. Okay, so I used to post that kind of information. So basically tutorials and a list of content, and like subtle questions, like whatever question arising in my mind, I'll be trying to find answers, right? Those questions and answers I'm documenting as blog post here. Okay, that will be useful for others. They need not spend that time which I spent. Okay, so you can directly just read that content to clarify, getting clarifications. Okay, so, and moreover, I understand that a lot of people are still struggling to understand the basics of AI. So for them also, I have released a lot of blog posts, like what is AI, that kind of stuff. Okay, so it's a mixed content. Maybe even if you are professional, just going through this, it will be making you not feeling bored, right? Otherwise, if you always read about very heavy content, very things, then it will make you getting bored, right? So in that case, reading these kinds of blog posts will be giving some relaxation. That is another reason for going through these kinds of blog posts. I'm planning to keep in this way only. Some people suggested me that I can organize it as a full-fledged tutorial, that kind of stuff. But that I am already doing it through my course, right? This is for a random blog post. Okay, apart from AI, I used to post other things also. But if you click this AI label, this link, that every posts are related to AI only. Okay. So if there are any questions, you can ask me. And a few days back, I talked about this one, right? That is very important one. Recently, I got decided to uh, like. Um, uh, find some interns for promoting my AA course. Like I already explained that in my previous live, so I will be giving quick summary, so that if you are interested or if your friends are interested, you can tell that, because it's right now that opportunity is there. Actually, I started creating this course and put lot of efforts for creating this course, and like more than 6 months fully I spent time, without doing any other task. I just I've dedicatedly spent time for coming up with this course. Okay, and I am selling it from Udemy, Skillshare, other platforms also. But I would like to keep this rajamanikan.com as a key thing. Okay, here I use Gumroad for providing affiliate option, and I advertised, I promoted my affiliate offer to a lot of friends and other people, and most of the people joined as affiliates. Right now, I have more than 45 affiliates, but unfortunately, most of them are inactive. They are not actively promoting it. And as I explained in my previous live, I did a lot of analysis about the reason or root cause of this, and I realized that lack of AI knowledge to the affiliates. So I decided to teach, but I already teach based on hourly charges. I understand that the affiliates may not be willing to spend money. Okay, so in that case, I decided to do free training by picking up some interns by like doing interview or shortlisting them. Okay, so my right now I started this process. Right now I am inviting everyone who are showing interest to be interns. I'll be talking to them. I will be going through the resumes, and then I plan to hire or I plan to pick 4 or 5 interns. Okay, I'll be doing rigorous training about AI, how to use AI tools effectively, how to create thumbnail images, how to create videos, how to create blog post effectively. Everything is intuitive, right? That's not a big deal, but doing it effectively and without issues. And apart from this AI thing, it involves a lot of digital marketing, other things, because I have been doing it for a long time, right? Apart from AI development and web development, I have been doing that kind of digital marketing also. I have timesheet software, and previously we had a lot of uh, software tools we developed. Okay, so that time we were trying to trade, though we are not that much successful. I know the mechanism how it's working, whether it's a free advertisements or paid advertisements. Okay, social media promotions. So that thing I can share with beginners. Beginners may not be knowing all these things, but they may be willing to work hard to promote in an effective way. So the combination will be working. So in that case, I will be teaching them freely about doing digital marketing effectively with the help of AI tools. And if they are showing interest, I can teach them AI development also, because that is what my plan in the coming days. I would like to pick some interns as employees for doing, may not be full-time employees, maybe based on revenue sharing. That I will be exploring later. But it's a first thing I am planning to take some interns. Okay, and then interns in the sense there is no salary or stipend. Instead they can get affiliate commission. Okay, I'll be doing all the training and all the review process, feedback, everything. I'll be fully involving okay, with them, and they have to earn money by doing affiliate promotion. Okay, initially. Okay, then I will be deciding about how to proceed further, because in case of affiliate promotion we have to use Gumroad. Gumroad will be taking second commission. If they are making sales directly, we can avoid that. In that case, we maybe that I'll be exploring that later, maybe based on the personal interest of the interns. Okay, so that maybe for each person we can come up with different strategy. There is not a big deal, right? There is no big deal. But as a first step, I am planning to take 4 or 5 interns. Okay, especially people who are near to my place. My place is Votapadaram in Tutugarin district, India. Okay, so if you know any person near that place, you can recommend this opportunity. Because the reason is, as I said, in the coming days, I will be taking in the people, picking the people from this intern list for doing any kind of AI development projects. Also, in that time, maybe we may need to have a direct discussion, right? So that case, it will be a long-term plan. But anyway, there is no restriction. Anyone can apply from any place. Okay, but the priority is for people around the Tutu Green. Okay, okay. This is about my internship offer. You can watch my previous live. Like I did around 1 hour of live to explain that. Maybe you can get more details, or you can I will be showing the link here. So here I posted a blog post for embedding that video. So better you can check this. I'll be sharing the link through. Okay, one person int 930 is saying that it has very informative content. I got your books. Okay, thanks for your comment. And if you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay. And if you are interested to get my AI course, contact me. I'm right now I'm providing it with the offer. Here you can see the details. Okay. 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 That is about this blog posts. Okay. Just you can explore everything. Like free AI tools to create stunning presentations, better alternative to Gamma, top 5 myths about learning AI, and the truth, 10 quick AI tips everyone should know. Okay. AI is slow. What is it and why it matters? How to install and use N10 locally. N10 also, though it is not directly related to AI, it's like automation. These days, most of the people are using N10 and low code, no code tool. But in case of uh, actual standard projects, it is better to go with Python coding using LangChain, LangGraph, that kind of stuff. Okay, it's based on the use cases and resources availability. Okay, but my preference is teaching AI development using Python, especially LangChain kind of frameworks. Okay, and especially RAG, because learning RAG is very important, as I explained in my previous videos. Because without RAG, the LLMs are not useful for commercial purposes because of the shortcomings like hallucinations, a lack of private information, lack of latest information. A lot of things are there. Okay, related to LLM shortcomings. There should be some mechanism to do that. The RAG plays that role. Okay. Okay. So just check all these things in my all my previous things will be like about basic things, including AI jargons, explaining AI good jargons, computer vision, okay, agentic AI agents. So whatever questions I am coming up from my learners, I will be doing more analysis and I will be posting post. Okay, AI versus NLP versus data science. These are the frequent questions, right? So people future engineering, N10 versus Happier versus Make, AI learning resources. These are really useful. I put a lot of effort to collect this information. Okay, so you can get all these details. In that, I included my videos playlist links also. Okay. So here you can find other useful AI resources. Okay, if you know any other good resource, maybe you can add that through the comment section. If it is useful, I will be including in the main post also. Okay, let me check any question is there. Okay, as of now, no questions. Okay. As I said, the primary aim of this blog post, this YouTube live, is to tell about my blog post. You can find it from my blog, blog.qualitycontact.com. Go through the artificial intelligence label or directly click the link from the description of this video. Okay. And I talked about my offer for AI courses and books. Okay. And opportunity to join as intern for earning money as affiliate and getting free AI course. Okay, and if you are interested in learning paid AI coaching, if you are interested in getting paid AI coaching, you can contact me. That link is there. If you want to earn just affiliate commission alone without joining us intern, in that case also you can do that. Okay, and you can get a lot of my books from Amazon. If you are Kindle Unlimited member, you can freely read a lot of books. Okay, and these are all the key things. And um, uh, like I suppose, as I said, if you are interested in outsourcing any AI related task, you can contact me. I can do that also, especially RAG development or any kind of guidance for proceeding with your existing projects. Okay. Okay. Maybe in the coming live sessions, I will be talking about my books in detail, especially Python book, RAG book. So I already I have given overview about my books in my previous videos. But in the coming videos, I will be taking each book per session, and then I'll be talking about that books. Okay. So in that case, if you have any questions, you can ask them through the chat. I'll be answering that questions. Okay. Okay, right now no one is there, so I am just planning to stop the live unless anyone is asking questions. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay. Okay. Thanks. Thanks for watching this live. Bye.